Hello, my name is Ranjit Kekan from D.Y. Patil College of Engineering, Pune, studying in second year Civil Engineering Department. My proposal for MHRD Mega Online Challenge Samadhan is that collaborating with food delivery platforms like Swiggy, Zomato, and Domino's for providing rations to needy people. Seeing the current condition, the food delivery platforms like Swiggy, Zomato, and even Domino's have started collaborating with companies like HUL, PNG, Dabur for providing home delivery of daily essentials. The reach of this company currently in India is in more than 250 cities with over 1,50,000 delivery executives. My proposal for this is that government can collaborate with these food delivery platforms for online providing of rations, vegetables and daily need articles. My second proposal into this is that the ration shop owner should also be allowed to buy vegetables and include these vegetables into onto these platforms. This will help the farmers to get their products consumed in the nearby markets itself. The flowchart for this process is very simple. The ration shops already gets ration from government into cheap prices. They also need to buy farm produce directly from the farmers. These are to be included in specifically designed packets that to be lasted for 3 days, 7 days or 14 days. We can order these packets from online delivery platforms like Swiggy, Zomato, or through even calling a specifically designed call center through a mobile. Then a delivery executive is assigned and he delivers the packets at our home. Another point into this is that the price of the packages should be designed so that the economically backward classes should also be advantaged by this. They can include the prices can be varied from the ration card types, that is the yellow ration card, orange ration card or the white ration card. For those who do not use Android phones, a specific call center can be set up and they can order their food from these call centers. For easy application and execution of this process, we can appoint volunteers. These volunteers could be Sarpanch, Gram Sevak, Nagar Sevak or etc. Precautions to be taken into this procedure is that the proper training and training for packaging and delivery of these is to be given. This can be done by the company providing the services. Special care for the contactless packaging, contactless delivery is to be taken. Preventive kits that include mask sanitizers should be given to the people, the delivery executives. Stores needs to be disinsectified constantly. Constant monitoring of COVID-19 symptoms to be done into these people also. Advantages of this include mass gathering of people can be avoided as we provide them with the rations, medicine and vegetables at their home itself, thus avoiding community spread of corona. Other advantages include that the flow of the farm products will continue, avoiding wastage at the farm itself. Farmers can sell their goods into the nearby markets very easily. Unemployed and willing volunteers can be appointed as delivery boys, small store managers, etc. Load on the government workers providing deliveries in the red zone area will be reduced and they can concentrate on other activities. This also can be used as a long-term product so that to deliver rations at our home. Thank you everybody. Please like this video as this can be useful to implement this idea. Thank you. Have a great day ahead. Jai Hind.